Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to search for Windows Biometric service. Just need to double click on it. And if the service status is running, then you just need to select stop. And now you just need to open up File Explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C, find Windows folder, double click on it. Find System32 folder, just double click on it. And now you just need to find Windows Bio Database, just double click on it. Delete everything inside this folder guys. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting it, just to close tab here. Now you just need to startup type, set this to automatic and select apply. Select start the service and then select logon tab and check mark this option guys, local system account, and check mark this allow service to interact with the desktop, and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type device manager. In here you can able to see biometric devices. You just need to expand that and then you just need to right click on the driver listed or under the biometric devices and then select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers and select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And now select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window you just need to type gpedit.msc, click on OK to open up. In here you just need to expand this computer configuration and administrative templates and then expand the Windows components. Now find biometrics, just select the biometrics. On right side double click on the allow the use of biometrics and then set this to enabled and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now double click on the allow users to log on using biometrics, double click on it, set this to enabled and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.